Hey, Lake Forest Church, I want to invite you to something very meaningful coming up this Saturday night at 6:30 p.m., hosted by our sister church, Lake Forest Church U City, as part of our family of churches. It's going to be at Highland Creek Elementary School. I'd love for Lake Forest Huntersville people to show up in a good way. We announced this the last couple of weeks. I just want to remind you, hey, one of the things I care deeply about is seeing intercultural churches flourish. Churches that reflect the beauty of the kingdom of God across ethnicities, across languages, across backgrounds and perspectives. And this event, Saturday night, is called 11, A Call to Unity. It is focused on race, culture, politics, and how we follow Jesus faithfully as the people of God. And we go first in healing tensions that are in our society with the good news of Jesus. Our speaker that night has experience as a lawyer, as a political organizer, as a Christian minister. I've sat under his teaching before, and I recommend him highly. It's not just an event. There'll be some really cool worship. Again, it starts at 6:30, Highland Creek Elementary, this Saturday. Be worship, there'll be teaching, and there'll be some honest conversation, helping the church engage culture with conviction and with the good news of Jesus. And so this Saturday night, June 6th, 6:30 p.m. at Highland Creek Elementary. There'll be people from all of our family of churches, but it's particularly hosted by U City. I really hope to see you there. There's a registration link in this video. You don't have to register to come, but if you know you're coming, that would be helpful. I'll see you Saturday night at 6:30 for those who God calls to be there, and I'll see the rest of you this Sunday morning.